So what's up po mga paps, welcome again sa another video. So another side job po sa ating gawain is mag-repaint ng ating handlebar, yung Pro-Taper Evo natin handlebar. I-repaint po natin to kasi marami ng gas-gas at masyadong fade na yung kulay. So yeah, yan o, medyo may mga gas-gas na. Yan. So re-repaint po natin siya sa bright chrome color. Okay. So yeah. At yan, tinakpan ko lang po yung mga pangalan ng Pro-Taper upang may logo pa rin siya. At yung grid kung saan nakalagay yung handlebar. So, let's get started.
I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
So while keeping this primer dry, so nirepaint ko po yung stock handlebar ng ating Suzuki Gixxer. Ito po. Sayang kasi anti-rust yung primer natin at medyo kinakalawang ito. Yes. Okay. So ayun po guys, silver yung sa alloy natin na Pro-Taper at flat black. Medyo pa pinapakure pa ngayon kasi ano pa fresh pa yung paint. So yan lang po guys. So nag-grab opportunity na ako while naka rest pa yung aking motor. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching.